Hello, this is the final session of action research presentation. So we talked about in lesson 3 cases of action research. The topic of action research I conducted is about how to build a professional learning community at the school level. So the teachers at the school, they can reconstruct school level curriculum to improve student learning. Okay, so we through the action research process, we reviewed the previous, we focused on research question first, and we conducted a literature review, and we used the method to collect data, and then we presented the result and made some conclusions and implications, recommendations. So we designed this kind of a model. It's about from this. It's changing your school atmosphere, school environment through teacher empowerment. And then we get to the living community, making a school community that teachers as well as students wanted to come. Making school that every members of the school community wanted to come to the school so that they can enjoy what schooling is. Okay, and then they cannot stay at the living community. They need to move on to learning community because it's a school. School is all about teachers helping students to learn. So teachers, learning community, the final stage of teacher learning community is to be a learning community, not just staying at a living community. So based on the result, we made some recommendation and draw conclusions. The first one is teachers' learning community, promote teachers' individual and collective learning. Okay, and the second conclusion is that professional teacher learning community is a field that takes place self-regulated learning. Through our study, through action research, we drew conclusions that teacher learning community can be a site for teachers action learning. Okay, and another conclusion is that teacher learning community enables teachers to learn ways to make others to grow than themselves. It's so-called collective intelligence. They are growing together as a learning community. Okay, and teachers learning community can function as an action research system. Teachers alone, him or herself, cannot do anything, any research, any improvement, or making any action improvement. But as a community, they can do something through collective intelligence. That's another conclusion of our action research. And teachers' professional learning community should provide teachers with self-reflection opportunities, since everything happens in a curriculum is a curriculum. In a school is a curriculum. Curriculum is what you needed to deliver or what you needed to do for student learning. Okay, it's not just a written official document, but it's about what teachers do or what school does for students. Okay, and So we made some implications. Okay, what students learn in school is because the whole school has made an effort, not just some individual teachers. So we emphasized teachers' collective intelligence as well as they are doing something through professional learning community, not one alone teacher. Okay, and teachers needed to feel that they are empowered by their leaders, principals, and other people, and their fellow teachers. But educational policies concentrate more on teacher effectiveness than on school effectiveness, which means you are not asking one teacher accountability. You need to make the whole school accountable for what the school does. Okay? We need to ask one teacher's accountability. We should not. We needed to ask a school accountability so that teachers make decisions as well as take actions as a community, not as an individual teacher. Okay, that's what we get out of our action research. So this is all the talking I presented with the topic of action research. So the first part of our series of talking, in lesson 1 I presented what is action research. Okay, action research is about practitioners. For us, it's teachers, actors, or practitioners. They are doing research. It's called teacher as researcher. That's action research. Because previously teachers are passively received theories or knowledge, but they want to develop or they want to produce some kind of field-based or practice-based theory or for their own. Okay, that's action research. Actor is researcher, and teachers can do that through reflective practice. So that was the lesson 1. Lesson 2 is about how to conduct action research. That is process of action research. It's all the same with the dissertation research. Stage 1, what is my research question, what I want to do, the goal of my action research. But action research is about context-bound question. What I want to do to improve my practice, my school, my teaching. Okay, that's the first step. The second one is what others have done. You need to review previous studies and research result. And chapter 3, method of collecting data. Okay, and we talked about triangulation. Use various ways to collect data. And chapter 4 is about presenting your result and the discussion. Okay, discussion is about explaining or interpreting your result in terms of previous studies. Okay, and chapter 5, make some conclusion and recommendations. And the final stage of action research is to put that conclusion or theory that you draw through your research, okay? Put that knowledge into action again to improve your problem or your problematic situation. That's the biggest difference between action research and traditional research. So in conclusion, in summary, action research starts from action or practice. And through research, you got some conclusion and you got some knowledge claim, or you got a grounded theory. Grounded theory is a bottom-up theory, okay? Grounded theory. You need to put that grounded theory into action to solve your original problematic situations. So our last mission, activity mission, is that number 1, try to write an action research proposal with your own school-based problem. And mission 2 is try to design action research plans using your own school context. I mean, it's a kind of extension of a writing proposal. It's what you want to do, how to proceed your action research. The most important thing is that you need to draw or you need to raise a valuable research question. Sometimes it could be urgent, or sometimes it could be an issue or problematic situation, but that's worthy of doing or conducting action research, okay? So that's what I want to talk about action research. See you in another time with another topic. My focus is about science education and STEM education and teacher education. So I will come back to you with another action research topic next time. Thank you very much. Bye.